Welcome back to another hip hop breakdown. Now, this is my first class in a winter semester at Mission College 2019. So, here we go. Let's get right into it. Let's check out the first routine. All right. So first of all, I want to thank, this is my first time student, Nick, right next to me, and also X Erickson behind the camera. So we're going to break this down. The main thing that I want everybody to learn out of this is the bounce. The most important thing, one of the most important thing in hip hop is learning how to bounce. So let's break down. The first thing we're doing, let's do this. We're kind of going forward. Let's just check this out. 3 and 4. Now watch the 1 and, okay? So right when I do the 1, boom. In this set right here, because my pants is loose, you can't really tell that I'm bending both knees. Obviously, my right knee, the knee's coming up, so I'm bending it. But the left knee is also bending, which means my hip is sinking down. I'm bending down and bouncing down. And that's the 1, okay? 1, and we hold the 2. 3, and we hold the 4. Again, this Nick right here, I could tell that he's bending this knee, but the previous one, he probably didn't bend as much. So if you don't bend the knee, it just looks like you're lifting your knee up. There's no bounce, okay? So we're doing the bounce. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. So we're doubling up on 7 and 8. Okay, let's watch this one more time. This is halftime. Slowly. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so obviously the people in the class were able to get the full explanation, but I'm going to try to do my best online here to tell you guys. So what we're doing is we're bending both knees, but also lifting up one leg at a time, but also there's also the arms involved. So there's like 3 things going on at the same time. So if you've never done something like this before, I know at first it's kind of hard, but I just want to show you guys what we're doing. We're snapping our hand, this opposite arm and opposite leg, okay? So let's try this one more time. 1, so you see right here, this is my left knee coming up, so it's my right arm, it's the opposite. Okay, opposite. 6, 7, and 8. On the 7, 8, I'm doubling. Okay, so again, adding different patterns to it kind of confuse the mind a little bit, but this is why we're training. Okay, so the first 8 count, we're going forward. Second 8 count, we're going to go back. Now watch the second 8 count. Here we go. So this time I'm starting with the left leg, going back on the 1. Okay, watch it one more time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so we're going back and forth. All right, so next one, let's show this routine or these 2 8 counts going back and forward at tempo. Here we go. Okay, so that one was just us going back tempo. Okay, moving to the next part, the next section. Here we go. Okay, so this part, incorporating in between the bounce, we have our heel pivot. Heel pivot. We're pivoting on our heel. 1, 2. Right on the 2. I'm going to slow forward. Right here. Boom. So you see, look at my cursor right here. Okay, so weight is on the heel. Heel is the one that's on the floor. Toe is the one that's moving. Now, as I do this, here we go. I'm going to play 4. Boom. As I go out, I'm sitting down. There's also the bounce, okay? So incorporated in this entire routine, the bounce is in there, okay? So that's 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. All right, let's watch that one more time, halftime. Good, good. Okay, let's watch that on tempo. Okay, that was easy. So we switch. We do 1 bounce, and then the other bounce we'll do the heel pivot. Okay, moving on to the next part. So this is just a different pattern. We're going both knees up, right knee, left knee, and then pivot, pivot. Okay, one more time. Let's watch that slow. By the way, Nick is doing a great job, so excellent job, Nick. Here we go. Let's watch the second 8-count tempo. Okay, here we go. Just that part. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. That's it. Okay. All right. So now we're gonna watch the last 8-count. The last 8-count. So we're gonna go from the single to the pivot, single to the pivot, and then right, left, pivot, pivot. Okay, let's watch. Okay, kind of caught Nick off guard there, but that's all right. He's actually doing a great job. Let's watch this one more time. Okay, all right, good. So that is the hip hop breakdown. We're gonna try to keep it short, and we'll watch the entire sequence again. 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3. All right, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed. Hope you guys have fun. Again, this for the students out in my class. This is a review for you guys. For everybody else. Hopefully you guys have fun with this. We're starting off a brand new year in 2019. Hope you guys had a great time. And again, if you haven't subscribed, please consider subscribing. I'll see you in the next video.